Hello, friends! Dabdobo is bringing you an exciting adventure with a brand new letter. A letter full of magic, mystery, and moments of fun. Can you guess it? It starts the word Mama. Yes, it's the marvelous letter M. Get ready to sing, play, and learn with M. Stay tuned, the adventure is just beginning.
Hello, heroes! Look at our new letter. This is the letter M. Is for monkey. The monkey plays in the trees and eats bananas. Say it with me. Monkey, fun and active.
Look at this tasty food. M is for meal. A meal gives us energy and helps us grow. Say it with me. M, meal, tasty and healthy. Look at what's in the sky at night. Moon. The moon lights up the sky at night. Say it with me. Moon. Bright and beautiful.
Look at this, Mom. M is for mother. Mother is loving and cares for us so much. Say it with me. M. Mother. Love and warmth.
Look at this cute toy. It's a mouse. M for mouse. The mouse is small, fast, and loves cheese. Say it with me. M, mouse, small and cute.
Hey, friends, look at this cup. M. M is for milk. Milk is very good for our body and makes our bones strong. Say it with me. M. Milk, healthy and tasty.
Wow, our journey with the letter M was so much fun. We discovered new words, played exciting games, and learned amazing things. Don't forget, more letters are waiting with even bigger adventures. If you enjoyed the episode, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time with a brand new letter and lots of surprises. Bye-bye, heroes!